Hey everyone, it's Mary with Happy Pine Soap. Welcome back. I had a few questions from last week's tutorial and recipe, so I thought I'd take a quick minute to address them here. Some people asked me why you would add fruit to cold process soap, and in a nutshell, fruit is basically a sugar, and sugar makes lather so copious and luxurious and wonderful feeling. And also some skin-loving properties from fruits or vegetables might actually survive saponification. It's hard to tell. And lastly, it's just a lot of fun to experiment and try new things. So I encourage all of you to go ahead and give it a try yourself and see what you think. You really won't know until you have your own bar of your own soap with something new added to it on whether you'll like it or not. It's been about a week and I'm back to update you guys on the strawberry puree soap. Some of you asked if it still was pink or if it was turning brown because purees with vegetables and fruits can turn brown over time. And that is the reason why I use the neon mica, because neons are really resistant to discoloration. For example, if you have fragrances with vanillin in them that turn brown, neons will actually stay true and they will not discolor. So far, about a week later, it still looks pretty pink to me. Of course, we have the partial gel that's still there, but the only really brown I'm seeing is around the partial gel a little bit. And I'm not even sure if that's discoloration due to the puree or just the partial gel, but like the one that didn't gel at all, it still looks pretty evenly pink everywhere. So yeah, I'm not really seeing any discoloration, at least at a week. So maybe it might discolor in a few more months. I'm not sure. But if it does, I can always update you guys in a few months. But so far, neons are the way to go if you're going to be adding any type of fruit or vegetable purees into your soap. Neons will keep their color, the micas, that is. But I was going to do a lather test because I wanted to see the difference. This one has fruit puree, and this is the exact same recipe, but without a fruit puree. And so they're essentially the exact same bar, but just one with fruit, one without. So I wanted to see if there was a significant difference if I used the fruit puree one. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, let's first use the one without fruit puree. This is exact same recipe, just no fruits. And I'm so curious. Let's check the lather. I'll give it kind of 3 swirls, try to make it the same. Ooh. All right, let's add a little bit of water. Ooh, lovely, lovely lather. So this one has very nice lather. Oh, it keeps going. So as you can see, lovely, lovely lather with our cocoa butter recipe that's been a favorite of mine recently. This does have coconut water in it, as does the strawberry one. And so coconut water does increase lather because it has sugar. All right, let's see if the strawberry one with coconut water as well lathers any differently. I'll be right back. All right, strawberry fruit. Let's see the difference. Let's go ahead and get it wet. We'll do the 3 swirly whirlies and then add some water. Ooh, this one I can already tell has more lather. Yes, so I would say the fruit puree lathers faster and it has more bubbles quicker. So yes, if you add fruit puree, the verdict is in much more lather, lathers faster, more copious lather. Oh, feels so great. It's very silky lather too. So yeah, I say the fruit puree is worth it if you love bars with tons and tons of lather. But this one's not bad. Doesn't mean it's bad. But if you want super sudsy, copious, soft, luxurious lather, fruit is the way to go. So there you have it. I hope that answered a couple of your guys' questions. Happy to answer anything else you might drop below in the comments section. Stay tuned. I'll be creating a goat's milk cold process soap recipe for this weekend. So I will be releasing that probably Sunday. So stay tuned for that. And thank you all for joining me once again. And I'll see you very, very soon. Take care, everyone.